So today we are going to start the chapter of linear equations. It's of class 9, mainly of CBSE. Actually this chapter is both for CBSE and ICSE, but the things we are going to discuss today are the exercises, the sums which we are going to solve today are from CBSE NCERT class 9 maths book. So I put the heading of the chapter as class 9 CBSE linear equations. Okay. Now the thing is linear equation. What is a linear equation? Very simple thing. 2x is equals to 16. It's a linear equation. It's a one line. That's why it's linear. And this is equals to sign. That means equation. What is equation? This one is equals to this one. It may be like this. 2x is equals to 4x. It may be like this. 2x plus 3 is equals to 7x plus 10. Something equals to something. That is called linear equation. Now, in class 9, the students might be thinking that Sir, what Sir is teaching us? There is no chapter called linear equation. The chapter is linear equation in two variables, right? Okay. Now, what is these two variables? What is these two variables? Nothing. The one which varies. Like the previous one I wrote, 2x is equals to how much I wrote? I forgot. Let me be 16. See, here there are three things. One is 2, one is x, one is 16, right? Now, out of these three items, these two, the value of these two, can you change? Can it vary? Can it be 1? Can it be minus 3? Can it be 0.5? No. This 16, can it be changed? Can you vary it? Can the value of 16 be minus 16? Can the value of 16 be 0? Can the value of 16 be 0.5? No. Right? That's why these two terms are called constants. These two are constants. But the value of this x, this is variable. Variable means it can be 0, it can be minus 1, it can be plus 1, it can be 2.5, it can be minus 3.5. A lot of infinite solutions can be come out depending on that equation. Like from here I can say that x is equals to 16. This 2 comes this side, becomes divided, so x becomes 8. But the same thing, suppose 2x is equals to 72 if I write, then x will be coming as 36. That means see, the value of x is coming 8, the x value is coming 36. So the values are changing. The values are variables. That's why they are called variables. Now, this equation, how many variables are there? Only one. So this is linear equation with one variable. Now I want to make an equation where there are two variable quantities. Two variable quantities. Oh, why did I left that one? In two variables. Okay. So I need to write, suppose 2x plus 3y is equals to 16. Now you see, in this equation, these 2, these 3, these 16s are constants. You cannot vary the value. You cannot change the value. But this x, this y, the values can be changed. Like suppose I tell you one example. Like suppose if I put x equals to 0, or say I put y equals to 0. Now if I put y equals to 0, x will be equals to, if y equals to 0, that means this total is 0, so this total becomes nothing. So 2x will be equals to 16, so x will be becoming 8. Now if I put x equals to 0, if I put x equals to 0, so this one becomes 0, that is 3y becomes 16, so y becomes 16 by 3. That means you see the value of x and y are changing. That's why they are termed as variables. And how many variables are there? There are 2 variables. One is x, one is y. That's why it is called in 2 variables. And this is something equals to something. That's why it is a equation. And as it is in a line, so this is called linear equations in 2 variables. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. Now, so this is all about linear equations in 2 variables. Now, how to find out the solutions? Like suppose say for an example, okay, let me see what is the first exercise of your NCERT book. The first exercise is which one? Okay, one more thing I would like to say. I wrote 2x plus 3y is equals to 16, right? So the constant we call it like ax plus by is equals to c. Okay? Or you can write ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is the standard form of the linear equation. Here the value of x is 2, the value of y is 3, and the value of c is 16 comes this side, becomes minus 16. So minus 16. So these are the values of a, b and c. Is that clear? So always remember the linear equations that should be in this form. Ax plus by plus cx is equals to 0. Okay, next let's go to the exercise. Here they say which one of the following option is true? Y equals to 3x plus 5. The question is y equals to 3x plus 5. Is it having an unique solution? Only 2 solutions? Infinite solution? Unique solution means only one solution. 2 solutions means there will be only 2 solutions. And infinite solution means a lot of solutions you can make. See, here if I put y equals to 0, then what happens? If y equals to 0, then x will be equals to minus 5 by 3. How? You put here 3 x is equal to minus 5 by 3 plus 5, 3 cancels, minus 5 plus 5 equals to 0. See, y equals to 0. Understood? So I can put x equals to minus 5 by 3 or y equals to 0. If I put x equals to 0, then y equals to coming 5. Right? If I put x equals to 1, y will be 1 means 3, plus 5, y will be 8. If I put x equals to minus 1, so minus 3 plus 5, 2, y will be coming 2. So you will be getting infinite number of solutions. So for this equation, you are going to have infinite number of solutions. Clear? But suppose if I say 2x is equals to 16. Here x is equals to 16 by 2 is equals to 8. Can you have any more solutions for this? No. So this equation will be having a unique solution, means only one solution. Suppose if I say x square is equals to 4. That means x can be, this one I can write plus 2 whole square also or minus 2 whole square also, because plus 2 whole square is also 4, minus 2 whole square, minus 2 into minus 2, minus and minus plus, 2 and 2, 4. That means x can be plus 2 also and even x can be minus 2 also, right? So here we are getting two solutions, and the first one which I showed, there we are getting x is having infinite number of solutions. Clear? Okay, next write 4 solutions of the following equations. 2x plus 5 equals to 6. So 2x plus y equals to 6. Sorry, 7. 2x plus y equals to 7. Okay, my dear students, always remember one thing. Today I am telling you one thing which you will be learning in higher classes, not right now. Y is equals to mx plus c. Always remember this equation. Y equals to mx plus c. Just listen and remember this formula. No need to go in depth right now. Later you have to. So what is this m? Constant. What is this c? Constant. Okay? So whatever equations you will be getting in this chapter, always begin in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. Clear? So if I bring it this form, this one will be, that is y. So put the y here, equals to this 2x should go that side, 2x. Here is 7 plus 7. Now see, y equals to this one means m, x plus c means 7. Clear? Why we should do in this line? First of all, to find out the solutions, it will be easier for us. Second, in the graph, I will tell you one more thing. Okay, now we got this one, right? So y is equals to minus 2x plus 7. Now make a column like this, x, y. Just take 3 solutions. You can take 30, you can take 300, you can take 3000, you can take infinite. You take only 3. In some books there are only 2. And in some questions they ask you 4. Like in this question they ask you 4. So wait. So what are the 4 solutions? First of all, put x equals to 0. Now if you put x equals to 0, what will be the value of y? This total becomes 0. So y will be equals to 7. Okay. Now x, put 1. So if x equals to 1, that means this becomes minus 2 into 1 means minus 2. That means y is equals to, plus 5. Minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5. So if I put y equals to x equals to 1, y equals to 5. Very good. Put x equals to any number, say write 4. That means minus 2 into 4 plus 7 equals to minus 8 plus 7 equals to minus 1. That means when x equals to 4, y is equals to minus 1. Can you follow me? Okay. Now we will be telling that, sir, can I put x equals to negative? Yes, you can. Whatever number comes in your mind, you can. Even you can put fraction, even you can put decimals. Whatever you want, you can put. Okay? Okay, let me say I put x equals to minus 10. That means minus 2 into minus 10. So it becomes minus minus plus 20 plus 7. So y is equals to 27. So these are the solutions. These are the 4 solutions which has been asked in the question. Clear? Okay. Next, what else is there? Next, write the 4 solutions. Check whether the following are the solutions of this equation. X minus 2y equals to 4. X minus 2y is equals to 4. Which are the solutions? Here, one is given 0 to, one is given root 2, 4 root 2. I just do these 2 for you. Okay? Now you have to check whether the solutions of this equation is this and this or not. Now what is this form? Something comma this one. That means x, y. That means this one is the value of x. This one is the value of y. This one is the value of x. This one is the value of y. Means when x equals to root 2, y should be equals to 4 root 2. When x equals to 0, y should be equals to 2. Now how to solve this problem? What was the equation? The equation was x minus 2y equals to 4. I consider this one first. Here they say x equals to 0. Fine, put x equals to 0. Then minus 2y equals to 4 or y equals to 4 by minus 2 equals to minus 2. But here x, y equals to 2. But according to my solution, y should come minus 2. That means this is not a solution. Understood? This is not a solution. Okay, let me check the second one. The equation was x minus 2y is equals to 4. X equals to, they said, root 2. Fine, put root 2. Minus 2y equals to 4. So minus 2y, this root 2, take that side, it becomes 4 minus root 2. Now here is minus, here is minus. So this one should be root 2 minus 4 by 2. See, this and this is not matching, so this is also not a solution. Now what else? Let me see. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Let me see whether 1 and 1 is a solution or not. 1 and 1. This will not be a solution. 4 and 1. Okay, so all the others I suppose you can do. Clear? Okay. The next question is, find the value of k if x equals to, okay. Here they have asked you to find k when x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. What is the equation? 2x plus 3y equals to k. 2x plus 3y equals to k. Very easy, very easy, very easy. Just put the values of x and y. So x equals to 2, that means 2 into 2. Y equals to 1, so y equals to 1. That means 2 2s are 4 plus 3 equals to k. That means 7 is equals to k. So the value of k is equals to 7. Understood? Very easy and very important, because throughout your life, whatever whatever you have to do in physics and maths and a bit in chemistry, also in geography, we have to use this method. Clear? Okay, now let me come to the graph portion. Okay, let me consider an equation 4x plus 3y equals to 12. 4x plus 3y equals to 12. Now I need to represent this in a graph. First of all, what I should do, let me take it in this form. That means 3y is equals to minus 4x plus 12, or y equals to minus 4 by 3x plus 12 divided by 3. 4. You understood this one? This one divided by 3, that is minus 4 by 3x. Again 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now let me draw the chart when x and y 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now if I put x equals to 0, y is equals to 4. Always try to bring the whole numbers. It will be easier for you to represent it in a number line or in a graph, wherever you want. Okay, now if I put x equals to 3, that is 3 gets cancelled, minus 4 plus 4, y equals to 0. If I put x equals to 6, 3 2s are 6. See here, don't get confused. Maybe I am going very fast, right? Okay, so minus 4 by 3, x equals to, I said 6 plus 4 equals to 3 2s are 6, minus 4 into 2 minus 8 plus 4 equals to minus 4. That means when x is equals to 6, y will be equals to minus 4. So like this, you have to find out the solutions set. These are called the solution set, because this is not finished. And this one, the answers will never match with the answers given in the book or the answers with your friend or even with me. Because suppose you make this solution, I will make a different solution. See, on the same question, x, y. Now see, I will take here x equals to 30. So if I put x equals to 30, I will take x equals to 30, that is 3 days are 30. So minus 40 plus 4 minus 36. Okay, I will take x equals to minus 3. So minus plus 3 gets cancelled, plus 4 8. Y will be coming to a. I will take x equals to 12. I will take x equals to 12. So 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, minus 16 plus 4, minus 16 plus 4, minus 12. See, the same sum, the same method, the same person is doing. Sometimes the answer is coming this one, sometimes the answer is coming this one. Don't get confused if the answers don't match. Have faith on you, have faith on your formula, have faith on your process, and the most important, have faith in your calculations. Then all the answers should be right. This is also right, this is also right. Is that clear? Okay. Now this one only we have to represent on a number line or graph. Number line or a graph. How? I will show you, don't worry. Okay. Now you need to know this one. This is the equation of a straight line. Y equals to mx plus c. Okay, let me take the equation of 2x plus 5y equals to 0. 2x plus 5y equals to 0. First of all, make the solution set. Make the solution set. Before that, bring it in y equals to mx plus c form. So 5y will be equals to minus 2x, or y will be equals to minus 2 by 5x. No c? Very good. It is much more easier for us. So x, y. So if x equals to 0, y equals to 0. If x equals to 5, 5 get cancels, y equals to minus 2. If x equals to 10, 5 2s are 10, minus 22, minus 4. So this is my solution set. Clear? Okay. Now open your graph book. Open the graph. This is your x-axis and y-axis, right? Okay. This is your origin, 0, 0. Now, suppose this is 5, this is 10, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and so on. Okay, now x equals to 0, y equals to 0. That means 0, 0. So what are the solutions? 0, 0. Here x comma y equals to, I am getting, this is solution number 1, solution set 2, solution set 3. Or 5 minus 2, or 10 minus 4. Plot this in the graph. So 0, 0, this point. 5 minus 2. Okay, so this one is minus 1, this one is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so 5 minus 2. So this is 5, this is minus 2. That means this point is 5 minus 2. Then 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. So this point is 10 minus 4. Okay. Now you got 3 points. If you join these 3 points, you will see you will be getting a straight line. Why? Because you took the equation into y equals to mx plus c form, and this y equals to mx plus c is nothing else but it's an equation of a straight line. Clear? So whenever you will be solving this type of problems or this type of sums in the graph, always you will find a straight line after joining the 3 points. By chance, if you don't find the straight line, suppose this point comes here, this point comes here, that means the line should be like this. So you can understand that your calculations either is wrong or the equation is printed wrong. Clear? Understood? Is that clear? So this is all about linear equations in 2 variables. Solving in the graphical method. I haven't yet solved. This is just plotting in the graph. What else is there? Let me go to exercise 4. What is there in 4.2? Okay, this one value I have done 4.3. Draw the graph, give the equations of the line passing. Okay, one thing always remember, this is your x-axis Now what will be the equation of x axis? See, equation of x axis, that means this one. That means here you can consider this point, 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 you can consider this point. Right? Now whichever point you consider, x will be equals to 0 and y will be, any point y will be equals to 0 and x will be some value. It may be 2, it may be -2, it may be 4, it may be also 0. So equation of our x-axis is always y is equals to 0. Clear? And similarly, equation of y-axis will be always x is equals to 0. Clear? Remember these 2 points, very important. Okay. I think I finished the chapter. Let me check for the exercise. Give an equation of 2 lines passing through 2.14. How many more such lines are there? Okay. If the point is lies on the graph, of the equation, find the value of a. Okay, let me do this one. They say that in the graph, let me draw the graph. The point 3, 4. Suppose this is 3 and this is 4. That means this point will be 3, 4. Okay. So if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equals to ax plus 7. Suppose this is a straight line. 3y equals to ax plus 7. ax plus 7. Okay? 3y equals to ax plus 7. Find the value of it. Okay, very good. See. Now in this equation, this is a solution. This point lies on this line, straight line means this is the solution of this equation. That means here I can put y equals to 4 and here I can put x equals to 3. So how it comes? 12 equals to 3a plus 7 or 12. This 7 comes this side equals to 3a or 5 equals to 3a or 5 by 3 equals to a. So the value of a is 5 by 3. Clear? Understood? Find the choices given below. This is very simple sum. So I think by now or after watching this video, you will be able to do all the sums of linear equations in 2 variables. Okay? So keep practicing, keep liking the videos and keep sharing the videos also after subscribing. Okay? Bye bye.